Nikao! Nikao! Nikao!
That the king should cry before his subjects? But, Your Highness, that is a demand.
Perhaps you throughout the festival, you were not pleased.
In the name of the gods of our land and our ancestors, I command you to appear!
Only say. Okay, well, we came to beg you. We're here to beg you and ask you to listen and do what the chief priest asked you to do, please.
So you have come like you sent your children.
I'm sorry, that is not why we're here.
Oh, so why are you here?
It doesn't come to this. It has come to this. Allow me speak my mind.
You want to prove that you are a wizard? You stupid. Can't you understand that that boy is limiting the things that are supposed to come to us as a family?
Don't disgrace me, my daughter. Remember your name. Your name is Onyeme. Onyeme or your mama.
Hey, you said it's important. Will I be laughing? I'm waiting for you to talk. I have a female friend, Mama.
Onyeme, she's getting married. And who, if I may ask? To Ekoy, of course. Wow!
Nothing will happen to the baby because where is others?
No. Tell me, where has it been heard or seen that the king cried in the presence of his subjects? Where?
It is a taboo for the Enogi to cry before his subjects.
In 2 weeks, if no response from you.
You said in 2 weeks' time. No. In a few days' time, you will hear from me.
What is pushing you? You don't want this money.